And it's unfortunate that we got in today, which is the 22nd of July 2025, having duly notified the Senate through 2 letters that I would be resuming functions today. As a matter of fact, I'm disappointed on 2 grounds. One is the number of armed policemen that we met outside, all well kitted with guns, charged at a female senator who is unarmed with her people here, patriotic Nigerians. And the second thing is the fact that the Senate, under the leadership of Akpabio, have decided to become lawbreakers and by denying me entrance into the chambers to resume my duty.
Well, talking about the Senate spokesman, Yemi Adaramodu, yesterday he granted an interview during which he said the suspended Senator Natasha Akpabio remains suspended until the Red Chambers resumes from recess in 2 months' time. Okay, so there you have it. I remember the last time we talked about the possible resumption of Senator Natasha Akpabio, and my position was that the judiciary today in Nigeria, with all due respect to the learned ones, they are just not helping matters. The law courts. Justice Binta Inyako, in one breath, condemned the punishments meted out on Senator Natasha Akpabio as being too much, using a sledgehammer to kill a fly or an ant. In another breath, instead of directing the Senate to allow her resume, she just simply advised that you may wish to. You may wish to is different from you must. So these are 2 different nomenclatures, but we've seen a new trend in the judiciary, and like I said the last time, it appears the judges want to be in the good book of certain persons and do not want to offend certain persons. So in delivering judgments, they will leave it, they will either be here nor there. They will just play safe and be in the middle. That is exactly what we have seen from the PDP leadership issue to the River State matters to the Labour Party leadership issues. It's the same trend. Why couldn't Justice Binta Inyako, after condemning the action of the Senate, come out to say this lady must resume within 48 hours, failure upon which so consequences would befall those who go against the court order? That is not what we see. The reason why the Senate leadership is still adamant, as we speak, the matter has been taken to the appeal court. Let's see how it goes.
This matter will long go.
Very long. And from the look of things, the Senate will exactly. They will just be buying time. I won't be surprised. And even at the end of the 6 months,
yes,
there will be extension because it's now before the appeal court. They can afford to say, let the courts decide. Maybe after the appeal court, they can take it to the Supreme Court. Before you know what's happening, we're talking about the 2027 election.
My God. My God. These are people who will tell us they're patriotic. They don't care about Kogi people. As far as Natasha continues to stay outside, they're okay.